In this video, I'll guide you through how to give edit access to Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let other people help you build, review, or update your form without giving them your account details or losing control of your content. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your form in Microsoft Forms. You can get there through your browser by going to the Microsoft Forms website or by opening Forms from your Microsoft 365 apps. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of your existing forms. Click on the form you want to share for editing. This opens the form editor where you can see your questions, responses tab, and settings. With your form open, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is the same button you might use when you want to send the form out to collect responses, but now you'll be using it for collaboration. When the sharing options appear, look for the section labeled something like Share to Collaborate or Duplicate. Click on that option. This is important because it's different from the regular Send and Collect Responses area. Here, you're sharing the ability to edit the form itself, not just fill it out. Next, you'll need to decide who can actually edit your form. You'll see setting options such as anyone with the link can edit, or something similar to only people in my organization can edit. If you choose anyone with the link can edit, anyone who receives that link will be able to open the form in edit mode and make changes. This is useful if you're working with people outside your company or school, or if you don't want to manage specific permissions. If you're working in a professional or educational environment and want to keep things more controlled, choose the option that limits editing to people in your organization. This means only users who are part of your organization's Microsoft 365 account will be able to edit the form when they use the link. This is a safer choice when dealing with internal surveys, sensitive information, or anything that should not be changed by people outside your team. Once you've picked the sharing option that fits your situation, Microsoft Forms will generate a collaboration link. This is your edit link. Simply click the copy button next to that link. Now the link is on your clipboard, ready to be shared. The final step is to send this edit link to your collaborators. You can paste it into an email, a team chat, a project management tool, or wherever your team communicates. It's a good idea to let them know that this is an editing link, not just a regular form link, so they understand they can change questions, options, and settings. You might also want to briefly explain what kind of changes you expect from them, like reviewing wording, adding new questions, or checking logic and branching. And that's it. You've opened your form, accessed the collaborate settings, chosen who can edit, copied the edit link, and shared it with your collaborators. Now your team can help you refine and improve your Microsoft form, all working from the same version and in real time.